Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using Goodbudget to keep your finances in check, you know how powerful it can be for tracking expenses and staying on top of your money. But what if you want to make it a team effort with your spouse? Sharing your Goodbudget account can help you both collaborate on budgets, set shared goals, and avoid any financial surprises. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you and your spouse both have the Goodbudget app installed on your devices. If not, download it from your app store and create an account for them if needed. Now, log into your own Goodbudget account on your phone or computer. Step 1. Head over to the main dashboard and tap on the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a gear symbol in the top corner. This will open up your settings. Look for the Accounts or Sharing section. It's often labeled as Envelope Sharing or Invite Others. Step 2. Once you're in the sharing area, you'll see an option to invite someone. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your spouse's email address. Make sure it's the one linked to their Goodbudget account. If they don't have one, they might need to sign up first. Step 3. After entering the email, you can choose what to share. Goodbudget lets you select specific envelopes or the entire budget. For most couples, sharing the full budget works best, but customize it based on your needs. Hit Send Invitation, and an email will go out to your spouse. Step 4. On their end, your spouse just needs to open the email, click the link, and accept the invitation in their Goodbudget app. Once they do, you'll both be connected. You can now see and edit shared envelopes together in real time. A quick tip. Before you start sharing, have a chat with your spouse about your budgeting goals to make the process smoother and more fun. Remember, communication is key to financial harmony. And there you have it. That's how you share Goodbudget with your spouse. Give it a try and watch your financial teamwork soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.